Last year, I quit my job, sold most of my possessions, and hit the road in my flatbed Dodge truck camper. I had the best year of my life, and it flew by faster than I could edit. This is a throwback series, posted once every Thursday, of the untold stories in the Dodgemahal. Never have I ever wanted to put a highway sticker on my truck so bad. $3.95, you freaking kick ass, man. So we're putting this on right next to the actual sign, because that's just so much cooler, right? Check it out. I'm gonna stick it on right next to the sign. Woohoo! We did it. Now we're gonna litter it with tons more. Let's go! With new style Jeep capabilities. The all-new Shasta Trailers Jeep JK edition.
Oh, look how green this lake is. And look at that shore over there. Wow. That looks pretty cool, huh?
Mono Lake. Looks pretty cool.
It's orange just like his. I'm eating some strawberry candy. Don't judge me.
We're getting some rain coming down here. My power steering is, you hear this? It's making noises and stuff, so I gotta get it checked out in Reno. It's probably best just to get to Reno and get this thing some loving too. But it's hard because I want to explore. Going into the belly of the beast. Looks like there's a big old storm up here. So this will be fun. The wind and everything just got way crazier when it came around this corner. Yeah, like listen to this. West Walker River. But yeah, you hear that little power steering. Ooh, little moans. This river's gnarly. Wow. White water ripping. An hour and a half outside of Reno, and I had to stop because this river is absolutely insane. So we gotta check this out. I'll get you on the other end, Code. Not a bad view for a quick hangout. Oh yeah. We got double door views of awesome river. If you want to know how to like cheat YouTube or cheat Instagram with your, and show everybody, oh, I got these epic views, I'm out in the middle of nowhere. Look at this. Like even look, I can even open the camper door and show you all around. Look, I'm in the middle of nowhere, right? Middle of nowhere. Nope, right off side of the highway. So, yeah, it's just funny. I originally got in here and was like, oh, this would be a great picture. I love getting pictures of the front door with the home sweet home looking out to amazing views. But this is such a cheater pick. I was like, nope, can't do it. Poser pick. Like I'm off the side of the highway. So it's kind of funny when you're in cool spots. You don't necessarily have to go really far to see cool spots. Now, it's not like I can camp here at all. I'm on the side of the highway, but just a funny point. Like I could take a picture and make it look like I'm in the middle of nowhere, and I'm not. So don't believe everything you see. Take it all with a grain of salt, ladies and gentlemen. that's the lesson there. What kind of camper we got coming? Oh, no big deal. Never mind. To be honest with you, I really enjoy this part of it. Having no agenda at all, kind of just cruising, pulling over, checking out little areas, looking at this river, going slow. Like, how cool is this river? And yeah, just kind of cruising and enjoying the ride. I've driven so much of my life in a rush to get to work, or you know, even just to get out camping because all I have is the weekend. And I just don't rush anymore. Look at this. Slow down. And rushing, honestly, in this lifestyle is dangerous. So you really can't be too Russian. Russians can't do this. No, I'm just kidding. Russian. No, but in all reality, and I'm chit-chatting here and going slow, and there's a line of cars behind me. Sorry guys, it's not a slow car, it's a fast house. But another lake. Go to look. Another lake, Bubbas. Look at that. Alright, well, I'm gonna camp here by this awesome lake. So yeah, I'm just gonna come right here. The highway's right here, but there's tons of people camping off the highway, and I don't know, whatever. I'll wake up tomorrow and leave. I might not even kayak, but this will be a fun spot just for tonight, real quick. I love the Lynx levelers, but when you can do it with rocks and just drive away, it's kind of nice. So this rock shifted a little bit, but it still worked pretty well. And main thing is the cab's level. And we got another cool flexi lake camp spot. All right, Cody girl, you're released. What do you think, Bubbas? Let's shut her down here. Oh, I gotta go to the other side. She's too high. Look how high it is when you get it up on a rock. You can park on this bigger rock though. I mean, like, look how tall the floor is. The floor is almost to my nipples. So, the floor of the camper. So, yeah, it's good to get the stairs out, but I'm gonna see how these do right now. It just started raining. And we got the little awning out, so it's pretty nice, I'd say. Yeah, it's funny, I don't know the name of the lake we're at. It's just the side of the highway lake for me. You know what I mean? Okay, Bean, go. Good girl. All right, even for me, this step is like, in situations like this where there's a storm coming and it's really windy outside, I like to have the top down because it's just a lot less noisy. And when I have the top down as well, you know, I can still access everything. And when it's stormy, you know, I like to be in like a little cave, so I don't mind that it's low. When you live in here every day with it up, this, like I said, it's just kind of fun. It's kind of a fun rendition of it to have it completely hard-sided and low and just kind of small, this small little cave that you can really truly relax in. So yeah, I like it. It's really cozy in here. If anyone says like, oh, don't live in a pop-up, like, maybe not with another person. It'd be a lot different if we were both crouched around in here. But yeah, this is me like trying to stand. So, you know, I can't fully stand in here like this. But like I said, just the fact that I can pop the top makes that okay for, you know, certain nights like this, and when when the weather's all windy and you just want to batten down the hatches.
Well, thanks for watching the first Throwback Thursday episode. Be sure to comment below and let me know what you think. If you really want to support the Down to Mob channel, check out the link to my Patreon below. But definitely make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss next Thursday when we start having some real issues with the Dodgemahal and end up getting stranded for a little bit waiting to get her in a shop and get some repairs done. The only question is, are you down to mob with me in 2019 in the Dodgemahal? You!